Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to show the cursor pointer location when pressing CTRL. So guys, if you want to feeding your mouse pointer Windows 10, show the cursor pointer location when pressing CTRL. So very easy, first click on start. Now scroll down, click on Windows System. After click on Control Panel. Click on Mouse. After click on Pointer option. And here option show location of pointer when I press the CTRL key. So check this box. After click on apply, click on OK. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to show the cursor pointer location when pressing CTRL. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.